We beat Everton 2-0 away, Goodison Park, to reach the semi-finals, whereas Chelsea beat Sheffield United, not a too good side this season, but scissors are good, to reach the semi-finals. It will be a good match and we are hoping for some fireworks. It is a all-blue semi-finals to reach the finals. The other two semi-finalists are the Leicester Foxes, which are the second most unpredictable side, and the Southampton Saints. And lastly, the big one, the UEFA Champions League. The one trophy which has evaded us forever. We have reached on, we have qualified for the Champions Trophy in the past 10 seasons and are the only English team to ever do it. 10 consecutive seasons we have qualified. But that is where the good part ends. We have never won it. This is the trophy which redefines your pedigree. This is the trophy which establishes any team as a European or a world conqueror. But so far, we have been ousted in the quarterfinals. We have been bettered by lesser teams, weaker sides. But for some reason, we reach this stage, but we have cold feet when we reach there. We lost against Monaco. We lost against a very good Liverpool side, who were eventually beaten in the finals by Bayern Munich. We lost to Tottenham in the quarterfinals on away goals. And lastly, last season we lost to Lyon. This time we are up against the prodigious Erling Haaland's Borussia Dortmund. Well, coming to this, the things which have changed this season is, yes, we have won the first leg of the match 2-1, but that 2-1 means that we have conceded a away goal at Etihad Stadium to Erling Haaland's side, which can be hazardous. The other important thing is we are playing at their home. They have been a very, very inconsistent side. They are lagging in the Bundesliga. They are at 5th level, and this might be the reason that Erling Haaland, and there are rumors of Erling Haaland leaving the team Borussia Dortmund, and he might be going to Real or a Bayern Munich or maybe Manchester City for that matter, because they would not be able to qualify for Champions League. The odds are in our favor for a few reasons. Firstly, our defensive powers, the defensive prowess of this Manchester City side has improved in the past 1 year with the arrival of Mr. Ruben Dias from Portugal. On each of our previous ignominious exits from this tournament, we have leaked goals like a sieve leaks water. Now, however, we have the most secure back four in all of Europe, and we have the most number of clean sheet in all of the top tier sides in all of Europe. Secondly, in the last 3 outings in this competition, we had conceded goals and we were chasing the side in the second leg of the match, apart from that Lyon match, which was a one-match knockout fixture, and we faltered big time. This time, however, we do have 1 goal up against Borussia Dortmund. So it is them who has the onus to prove us the lesser side today. Lastly, with Bayern, the champions Bayern out of Champions League, thanks to Paris Saint-Germain, we need to hold our nerves, because after Bayern, we were the second favourite side. Bookies now favour us all the way, Chelsea being the second favourite now. The reason for that is they have the easier fixture. I like my chances this season. This contest makes me nervous. Not because we are weak, not because we do not belong here or we are not good enough, but because Mr. Guardiola overthinks. Wish someone gets him the time stone from Doctor Strange and he devises a team or fields a team or a methodology that takes us all the way. Well, I'm really getting ahead of myself. and should actually be in my boots. Like our boss says, one game at a time. Dortmund is next. We must believe in our squad. We are in the top of English Premier League, the most physical of all the leagues for a reason. And Borussia Dortmund is 5th in Bundesliga for the same reason. If we play like we have played most of this season and do not overthink, I like my chances. Thanks for watching. Cheers and go Blues!